The first thing you want to do is you want to open up Instagram, log into your account, and then go to the bottom menu and select on your profile picture. Then go to the top right and press on these three bars just like so. Afterwards, you want to select over here where it says notifications. So you just want to make sure that the notifications are actually turned on for like whatever you want. For example, you can get notifications when you get new followers, accepted follow requests, etc., account suggestions, all that good stuff. And there's a lot of different options over here, even things for like birthdays as well. So you just want to make sure that the ones that you want turned on are actually turned on. And please make sure that pause all isn't selected. So notice right now it is gray, and that is what you want. All right, so the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and actually check out your system settings, because that could be playing a factor as well. Now, you could do this both on Android and iOS devices, but what you want to do is you want to open up the settings app, go to the search bar, and then look up apps. So go ahead and do that really quickly. And again, it will work both on iOS and Android devices. Obviously, the UI is going to look slightly different, but it is going to be the same principle nonetheless. And you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see Instagram. All right, so here's Instagram. You just want to go ahead and press on it just like so. And over here where it says notifications, please make sure that it is actually allowed. And you guys could also adjust it, whether you want them to be sounds or vibrations, or if you just want it to be silent. And you guys could also go ahead and choose between the notification types as well. So just make sure that notifications are actually turned on for Instagram within the device settings itself. Also, please make sure that do not disturb mode is actually turned off, because if do not disturb is turned on, then you will not receive any notifications of any kind. So that is certainly something that you guys want to do. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.